What's up, everybody? It's A. Ali Flores again with OrlandoVacation.com, and we're going to give you some more tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation so awesome. All right, what are we talking about today? We're going to be talking about how to find the cheapest hotels in Orlando. All right, so you're coming to Orlando and you want to find the cheapest hotels. It's super easy. Go to OrlandoVacation.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. There's more? Oh, man. Okay. We'll do it seriously now. So you're coming to Orlando. You want to find the cheapest hotels. Well, I was partially right. Take a look at OrlandoVacation.com. We pride ourselves on being able to offer the lowest price possible for quality hotels right here in Orlando. Join us and we'll go over some of the best ways to find those affordable hotels for you and your family on your next Orlando vacation. But of course, if you haven't done this yet, click that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. All right, first things first. And this could come as quite a shock to everyone. Plan early. Yeah, a lot of people usually plan their stay only a couple of weeks ahead of time, if that. And honestly, that's not good enough. Those last minute deals are a thing of the past. In fact, the closer you get to your arrival date, the more expensive your vacation will end up being. There's going to be less rooms available for that hotel you've been eyeing, so prices will go up. Then you risk not having a place to stay while you're in Orlando, so make sure you plan early. And of course, as previously mentioned, here at OrlandoVacation.com, we offer the best rates possible for you and your guests. We have partnerships with dozens of hotels across Orlando to give you not just the variety of where you want to stay, but the best rate possible too. You can easily book online at OrlandoVacation.com or call in and speak with one of our vacation experts at 1-800-641-4008. That number again, 1-800-641-4008. If you're wanting a place to stay that has free breakfast and a shuttle to the parks, just give a call to our agents and they can let you know your options. It's super simple. And if you're not ready to book at that exact moment, don't worry. They can send you a quote so that way you can review your options and book the one that is the best option for you. Another way to find hotels in Orlando at the cheapest rate is by staying up to date with what deals we currently have going on. Simply follow us on social media and sign up for our monthly newsletter, and you'll be among the first to know what discounts and specials we currently have to offer. If you're wanting to stay in an affordable but quality hotel, maybe don't stay at one of the hotels on site at the parks. They're fantastic, don't get me wrong, but it's not the most affordable option. If you want to start saving up early to be able to stay on site, then by all means do that. It's awesome. But as far as cheap hotels go, you're better off finding a room at a nearby hotel. You'll save so much money by staying off site, and a lot of the hotels that are close enough to the theme parks offer complimentary shuttles. Also, take into consideration how long you actually plan on staying at the hotel. I mean, actually staying there, in the hotel. If you're going to Orlando for 3 days and you're going to a different park each day, chances are you won't be spending much time in the hotel room at all. Well, other than sleeping. Maybe opting out of some of the amenities to save on costs might benefit you the most. There's plenty of ways to find the best hotel option for you during your stay in Orlando. Oh, here's a pro tip. Beware of hidden fees. I've been caught that way before as well. This can look like a resort fee or a parking fee or a breakfast fee or a pet fee or an early check-in fee or a Wi-Fi fee or a fee. You get the idea. Make sure you're aware of any additional fees that come with the hotel and make sure you include that in your budget. You may find a really nice hotel that's only $90 a night. That's awesome, but you missed the part where they have a $12 daily parking fee and a $20 nightly resort fee. So your $90 rate just turned into $122. So make sure you research plenty beforehand. Finally, try traveling in a group if you weren't planning to already. This is by far the easiest way to help reduce the costs of a trip. By having more people travel with you, you can easily split the cost down to a fraction of what you would have paid previously. Plus, sometimes you can get group rates depending on how many people are traveling with you. Even just having an extra person or two can help. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you here. Bye-bye, everybody.